Hey guys, Jim Bounds at Motorhome Rehab Ranch, and I'm going to switch up a little bit. We've been doing a little bit of a lot of mechanical here lately and some other things. I had some comments about that last series I did about overhead headliner and overhead cabinets and things, and I didn't really talk very much about this cabinet in panel right here. So bear with me a little bit. Let's talk about some discovery on what you could possibly do with this. There's all kinds of things you could do with this one piece right here. All right, so that's what we're going to talk about. And so bear with me. We've got another video coming out with some other interesting things. But if this is something that you're interested in, let's talk here. Now, whether this cabinet end panel is right behind the seat up front and you have a complete cabinet here, or if it's right here, or if it's on the other side, wherever it is, this is a triangle shot space here that you can do something with. Now, originally it had a foam backed vinyl covered, probably dipped or extruded or whatever, I don't know. But over the years, the sides would curl real bad and pull off of the wood structure because there are screws that is screwed into the back of the cabinet inside here. So those usually went out, in the 80s or the 90s. We're 25 years past all that. So chances are you have probably a duplicate where they took a piece of wood, put some pad on it, vinyl covered it, and screwed it back on, that kind of thing. And that's a good thing too, right? We have in the past put some speakers here, okay, or put a light fixture or something like that, right? Now, if you want to do something like that, basically just make a panel and vinyl cover it and put whatever holes you want in it and put it here. Then your wiring, of course, will go up here to your cross cabinet. I'm sure you can pick up, even 110. You might want to put an outlet or something there. What I thought about doing here, and I've been sitting in JG here, which is my office next to the ranch, and I've looked at this, and what do I want to do? Well, because I don't have the cabinet ends, and I have this whole uh, thing here, window treatment and the whole 9 yards here. Let's see, want to see that? Let's see, yeah, you can see it's got a nice presentation and LEDs and all that fancy stuff. So I don't necessarily want to. By the way, let me get this at the bottom of the screen. This is our QR code. So if you're watching us on YouTube, that's fine. Shoot this with your phone if you're on your big screen. Shoot this with your phone. That will take your phone directly to Patreon, our Patreon page. And then if you can share your phone to your TV, however they talk to each other, you can get us on your big screen TV. So here's our QR code. So what I wanted to do here, because I don't have anything in the front, some kind of a shelf, not necessarily a knick-knack shelf, but because I don't have anything that needs to go in front of it, headroom is no problem. I could do some kind of a curve thing in here to do some presentation, or maybe to do something with the kitchen, So here's what I came up with. Janie found this, I think, online or something. It's a corner little shelf thing to put on the table. I'm looking at this, and well, the legs are nice, but this is how you need to look at things. Okay, this may you may be turning this off disgusted, but how do you come up with something that can do what you want it to do? And it's a little bit of a knack. So I turned it over, put a couple of screws up here, and have yeah, have a little shelf here and a shelf here. Brings it all in. It doesn't. You don't have to see uh, the whole of the window. Now another thing. What do I do here? Now this cabinet right here is convertible in that it has a leaf that folds out. You could have a little extra storage down here. Let me show this to you. Where is it? Yeah, there we go. It has a leaf that folds out. Well, the leaf, when you've got the leaf out, you can't. Oh, there. All right. When you have the leaf out, you can't sit there. So there was another piece that was a component in trying to do this. Is I can hang this wire mesh here. Here it is. Move QR here for a second. This is a really neat thing that Janie came up with to hang fruit. Kind of nice. Well, with that table there, this could go up here like this, maybe. Extends the counter a little bit. Can you see what we're doing here? There we go. So we're hanging this thing. If you're going underway, yeah, this thing's going to be all over the place. So what you want to do is come up here like this and attach it with, don't walk in front of the camera. Come up here and connect it here and connect it over here. And it's stowed away for travel. It doesn't come off the screws. Okay. There we go. So the idea is, how do you store more stuff, right? This is just kind of hanging up here, but you see what I'm talking about. Think about using this little cabinet in. Now, if it's behind the two front seats, you really can't put anything on it if you have a high headrest, because the headrest hits the front of the cabinet. If you have a low headrest or an adjustable headrest, you can take the headrest off. Of course, it's not NHTSA approved and all that. I'm not telling you to do that. You can take the headrest off and it would recline past the forward cabinet end panels. The end panel on at the door, if you have a cabinet there, really can't be a curved piece because the door starts at about this level. So you could put a flat panel with a couple of things in there, thermometer or odometer, dew meter, and all that stuff up here. This idea is just one. Think about what fits in your coach and how you want to do it. With this kitchen from IKEA, kind of like a restaurant looking thing, very basic. Some would say kind of primitive. Yeah, it would be in a kitchen. And that's the idea of our kitchen. You decide what you want to do, and decide what you want to do with this area right here, because you can do a great deal with something like this. All right. Thanks for your support. Stay tuned for other things, and see you later.